Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Thank you, children. So today also we will do one or two questions based on representing rational numbers on number line. Okay. After doing, I will give the homework. Okay. So take your pencil and scale. Last day I asked someone to send to my WhatsApp using pencil and scale. Who's that? I didn't get any answers. To whom I asked to send to my WhatsApp, I forgot the name. Okay, I will catch later. Okay, so right, next question, represent -7/4 on the number line. -7/4 on the number line. Represent -7/4 on the number line. Represent -7/4 on the number line. So first of all, what we will write? -7/4 lies between
1 and 2.
-1.
negative is there. So it lies between
-1 and
-1 and 0.
denominator, numerator is greater. Numerator is, you consider it as -7/4. 7/4 lies between where?
-1.
7, simply 7/4 lies between where and
0.
huh?
No, 1 and 2.
1 and 2. 7/4 lies between 1 and 2. So -7/4 lies between
-1 and -2.
-1 and -2. Clear how to make it? First of
Yes,
all, you
ma'am.
okay. First of all, you take without sign 7/4. 7/4 since numerator is greater than denominator, we know that it lies between 1 and 2. -7/4 lies between -1 and -2. So right, lies between -1 and -2. Lies between -1 and -2. Now draw a line. We'll take this point as -1, -1. And see, before drawing, we can do one more thing, and that is -1. -1 can be written as -7/7, isn't it? 4 is the denominator, sorry. So -4/4. -1 can be written as -4/4. 4 is the denominator. And -2 will be, denominator is 4. Numerator will be
-8.
-8/4. So -2 is -8/4. -1 can be written as -4/4. So now we took this point as -1. Now we start, we will take the points to the right or left. -2 will be right or left. Where it will be? -2 will be right side or left side of
Left side.
left side. So to the left side, how many points we need to mark? How many points we need to mark? 1, 2. How many points?
Ma'am,
4. Why 4? Why we
Ma'am,
take
because
denominator is 4. Here the denominator is 4. So we are taking 1, 2, 3. This is negative 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is negative 2. Negative 1 is negative 4 by 4. So this is negative 8 by 4. Negative 2 is negative 8 by 4. So after negative 1, negative 4 by 4, the next one will be, this point is negative 5 by 4, and it is negative 6 by 4. This is negative 7 by 4. What is our question? Our question is negative 7 by 4. So here is the negative 7 by 4 on the number line. Can I give the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Represent negative 5 by 6. Represent negative 5 by 6 on the number line. Represent negative 5 by 6 on the number line. Represent negative 5 by 6 on the number line. Okay, start. Negative 5 by 6 lies between
0 and negative 1.
very good, 0 and negative 1, because here 5 is less than, numerator is less than denominator. So it lies between 0 and 1. Since it is negative, lies between the left side, 0 and negative 1. Negative 5 by 6 lies between 0 and negative 1. Now we will take 0, we can take dash by 6. Negative 1 is, what can we take? 0. 0 equal to 0 by 6. Negative 1 equal to
Negative 6 by 6.
negative 6 by 6. Negative 1 equal to negative 6 by 6. Now draw the line. Take 0 somewhere, because we need points to the left. So we are taking this is 0. Then how many equal parts we need to take to the left?
6 equal
6. 6. Since the denominator is 6, we will take 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 can be written as 0 by 6. Negative 1 is negative 6 by 6. So in between numbers are negative 1 by 6, negative 2 by 6, negative 3 by 6, negative 4 by 6, negative 5 by 6. This is negative 5 by 6. Negative 5 by 6. And this is the answer to our question. Put an arrow mark both side. You can extend a little bit more and put an arrow mark. Negative 5. This is the position of negative 5/6. Children understood how to represent rational numbers, both positive and negative? Can we move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, homework I will send to you. Next question. Next is rational numbers. Did we give heading as rational numbers between two rational numbers in the beginning of this representation? Rational numbers between two rational numbers. That heading we have given or not before drawing line, number line?
representation of rational numbers on the number line.
Okay, so you write rational numbers between two rational numbers. 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 Okay. Children, how many integers between 1 and 5? How many integers between 1 and 5?
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 are the integers. 2, 3, 4 are the integers between 1 and 5. And between 7 and 9, integer between 7 and 9. 7 and 9 is
No,
only one. 1, that is 8. Okay. Now, between -2 and -6, how many integers? -2 and
Five.
-6, which are they? Which are they?
Negative 3, negative.
-3, -4, -5. 3. -2, -2, -3, -4, -5. So between -3, -4, -5. And between -5 and 4, how many integers?
-4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
-3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
8.
8. There are 8. Okay. And how many integers between 9 and 10? How many integers between 9 and 10?
0.
0. There is no integer between 9 and 10. And between -6 and -7, how many integers?
No
Between
integers.
no integers. No integers. See, there is no integer between two consecutive numbers. There is no integers between two consecutive numbers. But there can be some rational numbers between two integers. That is between 0 and 1, can you say any rational number? Rational number, not integer. Any rational number between 0 and 1. All of you think. This is our number line. This is 0. This is 1. Is any numbers are there between 0 and 1? There is no integer. Integers are not there.
2 by 1.
2 by 1. 2 by 1 is, this is 2 by 1.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2, correct. 1 by 2, that is half. Half lies between 1 and 2. This is 0. This is 1. Half is the midpoint of the length between 0 and 1. Half between 1 and 0 and 1. Okay. And you have already studied the rational numbers with the numerator less than denominator lies between
0 and 1.
rational numbers with numerator less than denominator lies between
0 and 1.
0 and 1.
0.
Rational numbers with numerator less than denominator lies between
0 and 1.
0 and 1. Rational numbers with numerator less than denominator lies between 0 and 1. So between 0 and 1, how many rational numbers can be? Say, correct you are, say.
There are infinite.
Infinite.
Rational numbers.
We can find infinite number of rational numbers between 0 and 1. How? Because any rational number 2 by 7 between 0 and 1, because 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. Numerator is less than denominator. 10 by 21. Negative 46 by 28. Negative, this is between 0 and negative 1. Between 0 and negative 1. Negative 72 by 98. Between 0 and negative 1. So between any two integers, maybe 0 or 1, or between 1 and 2, or between 10 and 11, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. There are infinite number of rational numbers between two integers. Okay, between two integers, between any two consecutive integers, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. Is that clear, that idea, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you write a sentence after that. Between any two consecutive integers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. Between any two consecutive integers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. Put in a box. rational numbers between. Heading you can give, right? Questions one by one we will do. So again and again, no need to write rational numbers between this and this. So write once rational numbers between the following. Okay, now listen. Between 1 by 2 and 4 by 2. Can you say the rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 4 by 2?
2 by 2
2
and
by 2, yes, 2
3
by 2 and 3
3
by 2. 2 by 2 and 3 by 2. Then between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10, right? This is 4 by 10, 5 by 10,
6
by 10. Here
0 by 20
0 by 20, that is 0. Then
1 by 20
1 by 20,
2
2
by
by
20
20. 2 by 20. Okay. Now, fourth one, rational numbers between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. How many are there between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10?
1
Which is that?
8 by 10
Can you find any other rational numbers between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10? Any other rational number between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10? We said between any, what was that sentence you wrote in a box?
between
Any two consecutive integers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. And these two are two rational numbers. Is there any rational numbers between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10? Is there any rational number between two integers? We can find infinite number of rational numbers. Between two rational numbers, can we find more rational numbers? That is here between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. We got 1, 8 by 10. Can we find further more rational numbers? No idea?
We can.
Can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How? Okay, no problem, no problem. Yes, we can. Like integers between any two rational numbers, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. I will show you. 7 by 10, we can write, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, the value doesn't change. we multiply the same quantity in numerator and denominator, the value of 7 by 10 does not change. Okay, then it will be equal to 70 by 100, isn't it? 70 by 100. So 7 by 10 equal to 70 by 100. And 9 by 10, if I multiply numerator and denominator by a 10, it will be 90 by 100. So 7 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10 is equal to 70 by 100. 9 by 10 equal to 90 by 100. Now between the 70 by 100 and 90 by 100, you can find rational numbers, isn't it? Which are they? Which are they? Rational number 71 by 100, 72 by 100, 89 by 100, up to 89 by 100, isn't it? 71 by 100, 72 by 100, 79 by 100, 80 by 100, 82, 84, 85, 88 by 100, and 89 by 100. There are some more. There are some more rational numbers between them. And we are considering two consecutive. That is, so this 71 by 100, 72 by 100, all are lies between our 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. All are lies between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10, because 7 by 10 is equal to 70 by 100. 9 by 10 is equal to 90 by 100. The rational numbers between 70 by 100 and 90 by 100 also lies between our 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. Okay. Again, I'm taking two of them. 70 by 100. Or 71 we will take. 71 by 100 and 72 by 100. Two consecutive rational numbers. Again, I'm multiplying 71 by 100 by a 2, both numerator and denominator. So what will, we can multiply by any number. So it will be 142 by 200 and 72 by 100. When I multiply both the numerator and denominator, what will happen? It will be 144 by 200. So there is a rational number between 142 by 200 and 144 by 200. Which was that? Which was that? 143 by 200. 143 by 200. 143 by 200 is there between 142 by 200 and 144 by 200. Again, if I took 143 by 200 and 144 by 200, and what I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Then it will be 20,000. 144 by 200. When I multiply both the numerator and denominator by 100, 14,400 and 20,000. So between these two, we can find again 143, 14,301, 14,302, 14,304 up to 14,399 by 20,000, 14,400 and 400 by 20,000. Likewise, between each rational numbers, we can find. So all these are between what? We have started from where? Started from 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. All these numbers lies between our 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. See this 143 by 200. 143 by 200 lies between our 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. and 14,301 by 20,000 lies between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. All these are rational numbers lies between 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. So we can
scroll down?
so no need to write all this. I will give some questions. No need to write. I just explaining. So we can find infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers, right? Between any two rational numbers, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. Between any two rational numbers, we can find infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, now we are going to start problems based on this. Find, first question, find 4 rational numbers between 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. That is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. Find 4 we need. Okay, so what we will do, it is better you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. So that you will get some, if you want more, you multiply numerator and denominator by 100. If the denominators are same, otherwise we have to find LCM. That I will explain later. Now we will write 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 into one step. You write all. 4 by 2 can be written as 4 by 2 into 10 by 10, 40 by 20. Therefore, rational numbers between 3 by 2 and 4 by 2 are same as rational numbers between 3 by 20 and 40 by 20. Question is only 4 rational number. So write any 4. They are, which are they? We can write 31 by 20, 32 by 20, 33 by 20, 34 by 20. Only 4 we need. You can write 36 by 20. From 32 onwards, you can write 32 by 20, 35 by 20, 36 by 20, 37 by 20. Any 4 you can write. So these are the rational numbers between 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. Further questions we will do during next period. Yeah, next period I can complete this chapter. Okay, children, shall we wind up? Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. I didn't take the attendance. 1 second, please wait.